Nditimurano gatagati ka maabitha borithi na Arutwo University ya multimedia mwena wa Rongai kaunti-ini ya Kajiado kiroko kia umuthi ngai hairia icungiriirie maabitha borithi kuthira riera ria kuruta maithori guku gicanjama giki gicungire guthara kwa mihango ya ukui mwena uyu kuria arutwo 7 maikirio ngono ni borithi. Arutwo ya matafanirie ngai haici magikumithia kuragwo kwa umwe wao kugera mutino wa barabara kuria araguthirwo ni matatu ya sako ya Ugataline mathaa manini tu thutha wa gutuika murutwo mweru thukuru-ini uyu.
Comrades Tibim, comrades Tialala, there is a very clear message which is going straight from Multimedia University to Ugataline Sacco. Waligonga mmoja wetu, fresher, a few hours old in Multimedia University, and we shall not allow.
Riu magikumithia matereba sako ya Ugataline aria marauga matikoretwo magitwara ngari na ubaciri barabara-ini ino na uguo undu uyu gakorwo gicungiria mitino ya barabara mwena uyu.
We want to send a clear message to all the cantankerous policemen out there, to the Ugataline Sacco. Let them not perambulate around us, harassing comrades, using all manner of threats. We are paying excessively to a place 1 kilometer. Yet we can play very little. So we want to warn them that should they continue behaving that way, the minister shall go home.
Family ya Mutigaire ni yukire maabitha borithi aria marauga ni magondeire wira-ini wao amu miturire ya arutwo thukuru-ini uyu ikoretwo iri ugwati-ini kumana na matereba mwena uyu aria matari na wigiriki barabara-ini.
If they are not going to treat us with decorum and respect, they should get out of Magadi Road. Comrades, power!
Riu aya 7 aria maikirio ngono mekurara makiguno ni heo ceceni-ini ya borithi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro Kisago Wainaina wa Kiarie.